Hi guys, today I'm showing you a fantastic coffee scrub which can be made at home very easily. This can be used as a face scrub and also as a body scrub. You will have to use this once a week for best results. This will remove tan, firms your skin and also smoothens your skin instantly. Now let's see how to make this scrub at home. I have taken 1 tablespoon of ground coffee powder, quarter tablespoon sugar, quarter tablespoon cinnamon powder and 2 tablespoon coconut oil. Give it a nice mix. This scrub can be used by both men and women. This scrub increases blood circulation, provides great moisturization and leaves your skin glowing. Now take a small amount of scrub and gently scrub it in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes and wash it off. I will be uploading coffee face pack soon. Kindly stay tuned to my channel for that. Thank you for watching the video.